Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and my Cobra Mustang has been needing some new front tires for quite some time now, and I decided to go with some Nitto NT555 G2s, and they showed up, and what I like to do is take the wheels off of the car and then take them to a tire shop. That way the car's not being compromised, and especially like your center caps and things you can pop out on your own so they don't get lost or damaged. So I took them to the tire shop. And one thing I noticed that maybe you did as well in the video is that on one of the tires it has some of the painted lines on it, and on the other one it doesn't. So as we look at them here, that's just something that's used in manufacturing. They can use it for many things, just to separate one tire coming down the line from another, inventory, quality control, you name it. There's a lot of reasons for it. But I noticed one tire didn't have it and the other did, and I didn't think too much of it and just thought it was odd and went about my way. And then I looked a little bit closer and noticed this. Alright, just installed Nitto 555 G2s on here. And, oh, look at that. Made in Japan. I could have sworn that I just saw the other one. Made in USA. That's interesting. I guess we'll have to see which tire does best. So in the end, the one that has the paint lines on it is the one that came from Japan, and the other one was the one that was made here in the United States. And so maybe it just has something to do with that factory overseas. They have so many different lines of tires going through, and they're shipping them to different places. They have to make sure that they're going, to certain places one over another. So as I've read into it, there's really no difference. It's just their way of keeping track of things. But I thought that was interesting, and I had ordered both of these from the same place, and they showed up the same day, so I assume they came from the same warehouse and everything. It's just how their inventory was done. So anyway, the car drives really smooth. Haven't noticed anything yet with them, but let me know your thoughts in the comments. I thought it was pretty interesting. One of the only things I did notice that stuck out a little bit is if you see that line that's in the tire there, the excess rubber, that seemed to stick out more on the American-made tire, though I did see it on both of them. But there are date codes you can check on the tires, and a lot of different ratings. The size was the same, 275/40 ZR17. And so I have a video I can put in the video description that talks more in depth on the tire specifics and the sidewall lettering and what it means. So check that out if you haven't seen it. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys. I have to leave you here with a few beautiful shots. Just the weather was perfect. There was no wind. It was just a beautiful, calm day to be looking the car over, and I just had a lot of fun.